20 apps to get paid daily. Make money online. Ever thought about making money online without putting in the hard work? Today, I'll spill the beans on 6.5 lazy but effective ways to generate passive income. No corporate jargon, just straightforward strategies to boost your bank account. The first method involves a website called likeforlike.org. It's a platform where you can exchange social media engagement effortlessly. Imagine leaving likes on others' posts and earning credits in return. Better yet, install a Like-for-like bot to do the work for you, clicking and engaging while you collect credits. Exchange these credits for social media engagement on your own accounts or sell them on platforms like FameSwap for a tidy profit. The second method taps into the power of affiliate marketing and platforms like YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikToks. By leveraging affiliate networks and services like TooShort.ai, you can turn long-form YouTube videos into multiple shorts with just one click. Use these shorts to promote affiliate offers and watch the passive income flow in. Ready to explore more lazy yet lucrative methods? Click the link in the description for additional insights on how to make money with AI. Now, let's delve into the third method, AI voiceover. Imagine generating ad revenue without showing your face or recording videos. Tools like scriptai.com and 11lens.io allow you to create professional YouTube scripts and human-like voiceovers effortlessly. Monetize your channel, get approved in the partner program, and use AI tools without any hassle. Option number 4 introduces freelancing websites like People Per Hour, where people pay for text proofreading. Instead of manually proofreading, use ChatGPT to check grammar and spelling. Offer your services at a competitive rate, delivering high-quality scripts with just one press of a button. The bonus method, durable.co, lets you build a website with AI in just 30 seconds. It's a creative way to explore additional income streams. Method 5 involves transcription jobs on rev.com freelancers. People pay for transcription services, and you can use AI tools like rhythmics.com to convert audio to text accurately. Edit with ChatGPT, ensuring perfection, and submit your work for a steady income stream. The final method focuses on podcast editing. Platforms like Fiverr offer opportunities to get paid for podcast editing. Utilize tools like Clean Voice AI to edit podcasts effortlessly, giving you a competitive edge in terms of speed and efficiency. Now, let's explore a few more lazy yet effective ways to boost your income. These methods are perfect for anyone looking to make a little extra cash without putting in too much effort. Sell pictures. If you're handy with a camera or even just your smartphone, why not turn your love for photography into a money-making hobby? Platforms like Shutterstock, Getty Images, SmugMug, iStock Photos, Deposit Photos, and more pay for your images. Start snapping pictures of nature and scenery, upload them to stock photo websites, and watch the royalties roll in. It's a low-stress job that can become a great income source with a good quality camera. Watch videos. Love watching videos in your spare time? Why not turn that hobby into quick cash? Platforms like Inbox Dollars, MyPoints, and CashKick pay you for watching videos, ads, and more. It's a simple and fun way to make money while doing something you enjoy. Sign up for free, complete tasks, and watch your earnings grow. Scan your shopping receipts. Make your regular shopping trips more rewarding by scanning your receipts with apps like Ibotta. Get cashback on in-store and online purchases, and even earn extra by referring friends and family. Ibotta turns your shopping into a money-making opportunity, giving you a little extra for your everyday expenses. Voice your opinion. If you enjoy sharing your thoughts, why not get paid for it? Companies value your opinions and are willing to pay for detailed reviews or survey participation. Sign up with platforms like Buzz, SurveyMonkey, OpinionIn, and more to start earning money by giving your feedback. While it may not be a full-time job, it's an excellent way to accumulate extra cash for small expenses. Write greeting cards. Ever chuckled at a greeting card with a witty twist? Those gems are crafted by writers worldwide. If you have a way with words, especially in short and sweet formats, writing greeting cards could be your low-effort money-making gig. No need for lengthy blog spots or educational articles, just a few lines that resonate. Unleash your creativity and submit your work to platforms like Blue Mountain, Avanti Press, Oatmeal Studios, Noble Works, and more. Turn your love for words into a delightful source of income. Do voiceovers. Ready for a low-stress job that pays well? Voice acting, a flexible freelance job, could be the answer. You don't need to be a seasoned actor or actress, but a great sounding voice is crucial. Set up a home studio for recordings and showcase your skills through auditions or a portfolio. Platforms like Voice123, ACX, Bunny Studio, Fiverr, Upwork, and Remote Co. offer opportunities to get paid for your voice. Whether reading books or providing voiceovers, explore the world of voice acting from the comfort of your home. Teach kids to read. If you're passionate about reading and love working with kids, consider teaching on OutSchool. This platform offers quality resources and educational tools for children online. You can choose what topics to teach, and teaching experience is not mandatory. OutSchool values your passion for helping kids learn more than formal certifications. It's a fantastic opportunity for moms to earn money while fostering a love for reading in children. Check out OutSchool and embark on a rewarding teaching journey today. Mystery shopping. While it won't make you rich overnight, mystery shopping is an excellent way to earn extra money. Become a mystery shopper by visiting stores or shopping online and getting paid for your experience. Keep track of receipts, provide reviews, and, if necessary, complete surveys. Enjoy the added bonus of keeping what you purchase, whether it's makeup, books, nail polish, or clothes. Mystery shopping also offers opportunities to dine out and get reimbursed. If you prefer testing digital products, explore Panel Plays, where you can try online apps like Grammarly and earn cash without leaving the comfort of your home. Sell secondhand books. If your shelves are cluttered with educational or course books that are no longer in use, turn them into cash. Whether they belong to your kids or were part of your own educational journey, selling secondhand books is an easy way to declutter while making some money. For a hassle-free selling experience, consider using Amazon. It's a go-to platform for book buyers due to its ease of use, quick shipping, and straightforward purchasing process. While Amazon takes a commission on the books you sell, it's a small trade-off for the convenience and opportunity to earn money from books that would otherwise go to waste. Turn your bookshelf into a source of extra income today. Remember, these methods may not replace a full-time income, but they're perfect for adding a little extra cushion to your wallet. Explore these opportunities and start making money the lazy way. For a deeper dive into these methods and more, visit onlinebusinessacademy.com or click the first link in the description. Learn from experts, attend live masterminds, and take your online business to new heights. Don't miss out. Click the link now. Ready to level up your income streams and explore more lazy yet lucrative methods? Don't miss out on our future money-making tips and strategies. Hit that subscribe button now and join the Profitability Plus community. Stay informed, stay profitable. Subscribe today.